Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super important. What to do if your phone, tablet, or laptop gets stolen. It's a nightmare scenario, but being prepared can make a huge difference in protecting your data and maybe even getting your device back. So let's dive into the ultimate stolen device protection tutorial. First things first, let's talk about prevention. The best defense is a good offense, right? Make sure you have a strong, unique passcode, not just 1234 or your birthday. Enable biometric authentication like Face ID or a fingerprint sensor. This is your first line of defense. Also, always have Find My enabled, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a Windows laptop. This feature is your lifeline for locating, locking, or wiping your device remotely. It's usually in your device's security or account settings. Go check that it's turned on right now. I'll wait. Seriously, it's that important. Another pro tip is to regularly back up your data. Use cloud services like iCloud, Google Drive, or OneDrive. This way, even if you never see your device again, your precious photos, contacts, and important documents are safe. Set up automatic backups so you don't even have to think about it. Okay, so the worst has happened. Your device is gone. What do you do? The very first thing is not to panic. Take a deep breath. Your immediate priority is to secure your data. Grab another device, a friend's phone, or a computer and log into your Find My service. For Apple users, that's iCloud.com/find. For Android, it's android.com/find. Once you're in, you'll see a map showing your device's last known location. If it's nearby and you feel it's safe, you can use the play sound feature to help you locate it. It will emit a loud noise, even if it's on silent. However, and I can't stress this enough, do not attempt to retrieve it yourself if you suspect it was stolen. Your personal safety is far more valuable than any piece of electronics. Do not confront a thief. The next critical step is to activate Lost Mode or Lock Device. This will remotely lock your device with your passcode, preventing anyone from accessing your personal information. It also lets you display a custom message on the screen. This is your chance to put a contact number, maybe a friend's or a work number, not your own that's on the stolen phone, and a message like, "This phone is lost. Please call this number." Sometimes a good Samaritan might find it, and you'll get it back. If the device had access to sensitive accounts like banking apps or work email, it's time to start changing passwords. Start with your primary email account, the one linked to your device's Apple or Google ID. Then move on to your banking, social media, and any other important accounts. This is a hassle, I know, but it prevents the thief from getting access to more of your digital life. Using a password manager can make this process a lot faster, since all your accounts are in one place. Now, what if you see your device moving on the map, or you're certain it was stolen and there's no hope of getting it back? This is when you consider the erase device option. This is the nuclear option. It will permanently delete all the data on your device, restoring it to factory settings. Once you do this, you will no longer be able to track it. So only use this as a last resort when you are absolutely sure you won't get it back, and your data's security is the top priority. Remember those backups we talked about? This is why they're so crucial. After you've secured your digital life, it's time to deal with the physical world. Report the theft to the police. You'll need your device's serial number for the report. You can usually find this on the original box, the receipt, or sometimes by logging into your Apple or Google account online. A police report is often required for insurance claims. Speaking of which, contact your insurance provider if you have one, whether it's a specific gadget insurance or part of your home insurance. File a claim as soon as possible. You'll need that police report number. Finally, contact your cellular carrier. Let them know your phone and SIM card have been stolen. They can suspend your service and blacklist the device's IMEI number, which prevents it from being used with another SIM card on most networks. This makes the phone useless to the thief, at least as a phone. Losing a device is incredibly stressful, but by following these steps, you can minimize the damage and protect your privacy. Let's recap quickly. First, set up strong security and backups. If it's lost, use Find My to locate and lock it immediately. Change your critical passwords. Report it to the police and your carrier. And only erase the device as a last resort. I hope this guide was helpful and gives you a clear plan of action. Stay safe out there. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.